Imagine you have a brilliant idea for a website. You want to share your knowledge, showcase your work, or maybe even start an online business. But the thought of coding, designing, and hosting a website seems overwhelming. What if I told you there's a simpler way? A tool that's already part of your daily routine? Can you build a website from Notion? The answer might surprise you. Notion has become a popular productivity tool for many people. It's a versatile platform that can be used for note-taking, project management, and even database creation. But can it also serve as a website builder? Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. Part 1. Understanding Notion's capabilities. Databases as pages. Notion's databases are essentially pages that can be customized with various properties. These properties can include text, numbers, dates, select lists, and more. Linking and hierarchies. You can create links between pages, allowing you to structure your content in a logical way. This is crucial for creating a website with multiple pages. Customization options. Notion offers a variety of customization options, including themes, page layouts, and the ability to embed media. Part 2. Creating a basic website structure. Homepage. Start by creating a database for your homepage. This database will contain all the essential elements of your website, such as a header, navigation menu, and content sections. Navigation. Create a separate database for your navigation menu. This will allow you to easily manage and update your menu items. Content pages. Create individual databases for each content page on your website. These databases can contain text, images, videos, and other media. Part 3. Customizing your website. Themes and templates. Notion offers a variety of themes and templates that you can use to customize the appearance of your website. CSS and custom code. For more advanced customization, you can use CSS and custom code to style your website. However, this requires some technical knowledge. Embedding external content. You can embed content from other websites, such as YouTube videos, Google Maps, and social media feeds. Part 4. Publishing your website. Exporting as HTML. Once you're satisfied with your website, you can export it as an HTML file. This allows you to upload your website to a hosting platform. Using Notion's web page feature. Notion also offers a web page feature that allows you to share your pages directly online. However, this option may have limitations. Part 5. Limitations and considerations. Design flexibility. While Notion offers some customization options, it may not be as flexible as dedicated website builders. Hosting and domain names. You'll need to purchase a hosting plan and domain name if you want to publish your website online. Maintenance and updates. Keeping your website updated and maintaining its performance can be time-consuming. Can you make a website from Notion? The answer is yes, but it's important to understand the limitations and considerations involved. Notion can be a great starting point for creating a simple website, but it may not be suitable for complex or highly customized projects. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Notion is right for you is to experiment and see what you can achieve. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.